It's good. Take a nice little night ride. So we got a new camera set up, and yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and test this camera out. Got the same mic set up. Hopefully it's not too loud. Nice little ride with my boy, one of my S1K boys here. Yeah, yes, I actually love it. What's good, YouTube? So, made it to the location. This undisclosed location. Absolutely stunning. Out with my boy, my S1K boy. We're just here enjoying the nice little cool breeze tonight. And just enjoying our bikes in this fine night right now. And as you can tell, look how beautiful they look together. It's a absolutely stunning place to be. And yeah, I just caught some videos, took some pictures, you know, the regular. And I'm about to get on our way right now and probably get my boy on the R1 and see how he feels about it. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Catch you on the clip right now. Leaving the location here and
Just get out of first, right?
yep. Holy shit, I just stalled it. There you go, buddy. Hey, got a QT! Ah! That shit look bad. That bitch look bad, bro. That's funny as fuck. Woo!
So comfy. Dude, it's such a different feel.
Yes. Yes. Yes, it is.
Fuck yeah, dude, that shit is sick. Damn.
I broke traction on your bike 2 times.
Did you really?
Yeah, I did. I think hopefully it was on video.
You got rocks in your booty.
Oh, I'm so fucking sorry. How the fuck did that happen?
I don't even know.
I'm so sorry, bro. Look at this boy. He got all carbon on his fucking bike. Look at this nasty boy. He's about to have carbon fucking dash panels, carbon winglets. Jesus Christ, this guy got carbon fucking gills on the side, carbon underbelly, bro. This guy's crazy. Oh yeah, don't look at that. Shh. We'll blur it out. Yeah. Take a look at the beast, babies. Quick gas station pit stop. We needed to hit the gas station. Old boy needed to fill up his S1K. I got half a tank in there. I want to run 101 octane soon, so I want to be able to just kind of empty it out without worrying too much. So that's where I'm at. And just gonna switch bikes. I'm gonna let him experience how it feels to ride an R1, a stretched R1. That's all part of the experience. Letting them feel it. Let them experience it. I think as long as you trust. Good. Thank you. That thing is so fucking loud.
Dude, this thing is fucking wild. It sounds insane. So fucking good. Dude, it's like, it wants to go.
Did you hit it? I need you to.
I wanted to get a little bit more used to it before I like full throttle. But, dude. Oh my god. That shit is cool.
S1K is gonna be taking off. He's going home. Gotta take off as well. That shit's crazy. Love that bike. Love this bike too. But time to go home and enjoy the rest of the night. And just go through some footage and see how this camera came out. Hopefully this camera looks real good, because from what I've seen, I kind of went through some footage prior, and it looks absolutely phenomenal, honestly. At least for night riding, it's absolutely perfect for me. It's a chilly night. It's towards the end of the night, and it just rained, so it's nice and chilly. Fucking midnight right now, just passing midnight, and I'm going in here rolling through with the R1 full exhaust SC project, fucking ripping through these fucking neighborhoods. But it's cold, holy shit. I had a fucking phenomenal night with my boy here. I don't really see him too much, but honestly, I haven't really spent too much time with a lot of my friends. It's hard to see them because all of our schedules are so different, you know, from one another, so it makes it very difficult to spend time with each other.